In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the latest version of the VMware Workstation Pro. Normally, you would download VMware Workstation Pro from the official website. However, the download process can sometimes be frustrating because you need to create an account, sign in, and complete account verification before you can access the installer. Let me quickly show you what happened to me. Last week, I tried downloading the VMware Workstation Pro from the official website. I completed all the required steps, but when I clicked download, I got this message: account verification in process. Now, instead of waiting for the verification process, I found the trusted website where you can download the exact same installer. Normally, I recommend downloading softwares directly from the manufacturer's official website whenever possible. However, this source is well known and trusted by many users. Now, let's open Chrome and search for Tech Power Up VMware Workstation Pro. As you can see, the latest release is VMware Workstation Pro 26H1, which matches the latest version shown on the official website. That confirms that we are downloading the latest version. From here, simply click download, choose one of the available download servers, and we will proceed with the installation. I'll also leave the link in the video description so you can access it easily. Okay, so the installation is complete. I opened it, and here is a question: do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I'm going to click yes. Okay, so I'm going to click next, and this is the end user license agreement. I'm going to accept. You can take your time to review it, and after that I'll click next. This is where the VMware Workstation is going to be installed. So if you have a special folder for it, you can change it to the location path that you want it to be in. Then I'll click next, and next. Then I'll click install. In just a few minutes, VMware Workstation Pro will be ready. Alright, the download has completed successfully, so I'll click finish. Now I'll search for VMware and open the application. And there we have it. VMware Workstation Pro is now installed and ready to use. In the upcoming videos, I'll be using VMware Workstation to install Windows Server 2022, Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Windows 11, and Windows 10. So if you are interested in virtualization, cybersecurity, or IT, you won't want to miss those tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of those future uploads. Thanks for watching Tech with More, and I'll see you in the next video.